Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin credentials and plugin access so you can edit Schema safely. Once you have access, make a full backup or snapshot. This protects you if changes break pages. Next, locate where Schema is defined, check theme templates, SEO plugin settings, or custom field code because you will edit the correct source. Now open your export or file so you can apply targeted edits without guessing where the markup lives. You now make the actual edits. Update JSON LD blocks or microdata in the plugin or template files, adjusting types and properties to match your content. Once edited, push changes to a staging environment. This prevents live errors. Then validate with structured data testing tools and fix any required field warnings. Make sure entities remain consistent across pages so search engines understand relationships. If you use variables or shortcodes, verify they output correct values. You're ready to deploy. Push the validated schema to production, then clear WordPress caches and any CDN caches so updates appear. After deployment, monitor Google Search Console and other indexing tools for errors or warnings, and watch traffic and rich result impressions. If issues arise, revert quickly using your backup or disable the schema changes while you troubleshoot. One key troubleshooting tip: if rich results disappear, confirm the rendered HTML contains the updated JSON LD and that no plugin is stripping it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.